CodeMeter is like a Swiss knife for software protection, licensing, and security. And we provide so-called 4D interoperability. So we have our solution for multiple operating systems, for multiple programming environments. We support the connection to the business process and ERP, CRM solutions. And we also have a product and a solution with a long-term availability, something that is, especially in the industrial area, very much required, that you can use it for a very, very long time. And if there are changes and improvements, which should always happen, they must be done in a compatible way.
That is actually a good question. How do we get to know Wibu? And before I get into this question, probably look back in time a little bit. As we started our own company, we needed to have a kind of licensing protection, a kind of licensing software which supports the protection, because we were not engaged in this area. So we found a company, and as we worked with this company over the years, we found out that this company actually changed their focus. So they shifted a little bit from, say, the requirements we had into the requirements the standard office software has. So the support which we were looking for into an industrial environment, because our software is used by industrial customer, was not on the level we expected. So we get in touch with Wibu, and we found that this company understands our requirement. They speak our language. So speaking our language means that we can bring forward the points which we had in mind. So we became Wibu became a supplier to us, and we are very glad that we have Wibu with us because we have a diversity of operating system, a range of different configurations in our software, and we need this day-to-day support which we get. So thank you very much for the support, Mr. Vincent.
Thank you very much, Mr. Munkelt. We are very happy to support you and provide a small portion for the success of MVTec's products.
Thank you.
I think one of the important features is that there's one solution with CodeMeter License Central to deploy the licenses. Doesn't matter if the MVTec products are then using CodeMeter Act, the software-based licensing, or it's using the CM dongles, the CodeMeter dongles, which are, by the way, branded and custom-made with the CI, supporting the CI of MVTec and having the MVTec brand on the dongle hardware. That also improves the brand of the product.
Well, we had a pretty clear picture of what we wanted to do with the licensing, so to speak. And you mentioned already we want to keep our CI. This is more, say, a marketing point, but this is an important point. From the technical side, we need to have the features which protect our software, and they were all available. So the transitioning as such is more an issue of what kind of support do we get and how this support is delivered to us in a speedy way, so to speak. And this was all fine. So the transition as such happened exactly the way we expected. So once again, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, for this educational use of the MVTec applications, it's very valuable that we have 3 portals or one portal with 3 different views. One is the view for MVTec, for the ISV to manage the educational institutes as customers. Next is the view from the educational institute itself, where they can manage the licenses and assign the licenses to students and teachers in the way they need it. And the last one is, of course, for the users itself, for the teachers, for the students that can then use the licenses. So that's the 3 views of the portal that makes it very easy to use and easy to handle this kind of educational licenses.